So hi everyone, good morning, Jai Shri Krishna. So this is Dr. Akshita here, and I wish you everyone happy Karwa Chauth. So today is a Krishna Paksha Chaturthi of the Kartik month, and on this day the Hindu women keep fast for their longevity of their husbands, and they offer special prayers to Goddess Parvati for their good health and well-being of their husbands, for their spouse. So may the Lord Shiva and the Goddess Parvati bless you with joy, love, serenity, prosperity, and good health and well-being. So here, puja method, the worship method is after taking a bath early in the morning, from the sunrise to sunset, you have to keep the fast, Nirjala fast method. So the puja method the worship method of the Karwa Chauth, that you have to take a earthen pot like this. मिट्टी का वेसल आपको लेना है. Then you have to fill the vessel with water, and you have to take a diya lamp and vermilion, sindoor, and 10-12 pieces of rice and some sweets and flowers, a storybook, and you have to visit the temple. And on this day, the married women keep fast for the longevity of their husband. So what is the meaning of this fasting? So karwa, that means the symbol of the peace and the prosperity. Okay, so you have to fill this with water, and you have to offer to the Lord Chandra after the moon sighting in the evening, and you have to do some rituals in the evening between 7 to 8 p.m. You have to offer the prayer to the Goddess Parvati and the Lord Shiva. So this is all about the Karwa Chauth. I hope you like it. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And the story of the Karwa Chauth, that there was a queen, her name was Veeravati, and she was extremely pampered by her 7 brothers, and she was very, the Pativrata. And one day, what happened? One day she decided to keep a Nirjala fast, that is without water and without food. While she was visiting to her home, so she decided to do Nirjala Vrat. But she was fainted due to the weakness. And from the lack of food and water. And her brother could not see her in that miserable condition. They requested her to eat something, drink something. But the Veeravati was very stubborn. So she denied her brother. She denied the requested. She ignored the requested, and she waited for the sighting of the moon. After hearing all this, the one brother climbed on a peepal tree, and he tricked her, and unfortunately she broke the fast without sighting the moon. And what happened? Her husband died, and she could not bear this inconsolable. She was very inconsolable. So all this incident happened, and the Lord Indra and his wife, they were watching from the Indralok. So the Indravati decided, okay, I'll go to the earth. And the wife of the Lord Indra arrived to console her, and she advised her that you have to keep the fast every month throughout the year, so her husband could back alive. So the moral of the story is that the DP, not display picture, that's a determination and the patience. The determination and the patience that finally paid off, and eventually her husband was alive again. So this is a Karwa Chauth story. I hope you like it, and if you like it, so do comment and let me know if you want to hear more stories about. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Bye.